And now, the Juggernaut. And finally, the Reaper.
Chris? Don't hurt Chris.
I'm glad these guys are related and their families here.
It's just like Easter at our house.
It really is.
She's recording it to put it on YouTube. Yes! Yeah! Is this the one that was on at Wayne High School? Just kidding. Yeah, this is what goes on inside the ROTC unit.
It's not enough of this. Oh my God. I'm freaking out here. Although it's like, damn.
Watch the mess.
Push the mats. Push the mats.
That was like perfect. Hey, where's our stage crew?
I don't know how to do it.
Oh, the Reaper.
Come on, get to work, Reaper. Give up the chair, Reaper.
That's all of them get an orange.
Oh, careful, Gina. Oh my gosh.
Gina, don't get hurt!
1, 2,
Come on, Reaper.
2.5. Charles.
Come on.
Charles is slow.
Charles is very slow.
Better grab him out.